How to fix Instagram Reels lag? Let's jump right into the steps. First, you want to go ahead and open Instagram on your phone. Then what you need to do is you want to tap so for some reason your Instagram reel is lagging. To fix that, you want to tap on your profile, then tap on three horizontal lines on the top right corner. Tap on settings. Go to the search bar and search for data use. Now, then tap on data use right there. You have to make sure that use less cellular data is turned off and uploaded high quality is turned on. Sometimes reels need higher cellular data to load properly and reduce Instagram Reels lag. So you have to make sure that use less cellular data is turned off. After that, you need to go back and check if it's lagging again. If it doesn't work, what you need to do is you want to delete your Instagram app just by tapping on it and then tapping on remove app, then tap on delete app. And then you need to go to App Store and reinstall it. That way all the Instagram caches will be deleted and your Instagram will be updated automatically. Last thing is you need to make sure your Wi-Fi connection or your mobile data connection is on. So that is some way how you can fix Instagram Reels lag. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the very end.